Hi everybody, hope you are well and been staying safe. I have come on today to show you how to do a normal French braid coming to the side, and to do this we will need a tail comb or anything pointy. So to start off, we're going to come in on a side, creating like a triangle parting. So we're just going to come in, going to come all the way across. Separating the hair. Check my part. Now we're going to get a normal brush, part that off, like so. We're just going to check that we've picked up none of our parting that we've just made. And then we're going to section this off. I'm going to use a section clip. If you haven't got a section clip, you can just use a bubble. Checking all the part. So the part should look like this. I have really bad roots. Being in quality, I imagine that we all have. So now I'm going to come back in, starting at the start of our triangle. We're going to create 3 equal sections. And this being a normal Dutch braid, we're going to bring the outside piece over to the middle. Again, the outside piece over to the middle. Releasing this section. Coming in, slice, picking that section back up. And we're going to come over, pinch that middle slice, and release the outside slice. And then again, we're going to come in, slice, picking up that section we've just dropped, over to the middle, pinch, release. So we're going to come in, slice, over, pinch, release. Slice, over, pinch, release. And again, slice, picking that piece up, over, pinch, release. My roots are so bad, but you can see the plait is starting to be created. Again, we're going to come in, slice, pinch, release. Again, slice, picking that piece up, over, release. Repeating this technique all the way down. Slice, over, pinch, release. You can see the plait. My roots are so bad. It is in need of some Olaplex, colour, cut and TLC. Do you know what? I might even attempt to do a T-section of foils on myself tomorrow. And again, slice, over, pinch, release. Slice, picking that piece up, over. Again, picking that piece up, over, releasing this piece. Following this technique all the way down. I like to frame my face, so I'm just going to leave that little bit here. Slice, over, pinch, release. And again, slice, over, pinch, release. And now there's no hair left. We're going to continue the plait going down. The outside piece over to the middle. Outside piece over to the middle. Going all the way down. All the way down. La la la. Outside piece over to the middle. Outside piece over to the middle. There we have it. Plait going round. Gonna grab my clear elastic. Pop it into the end. And as you can see, there's a plait. Because I got mega roots, I feel like can't see the stitching very well. So I'm just gonna come in and tug so you can see the stitches. There we are. Just pulling on the outside of the stitches. There's the plait going all the way around. Now going to release my hair. Grab the hairbrush, give it a brush. And there's the plait. And with this you can tuck it behind the ear, clip it under so you can wear it like so. You could curl your hair, you could incorporate one the other side and have two. You could pop it up into a pony. The choice is yours really. Hope you guys like it and stay safe and well and see you soon. Bye.